Happy 2020. It's 2020. Get into it. I'm so excited, guys. This is horrible. This is gonna be so bad. I'm gonna have so many takes.
Poppin' wherever I go. Bet your bands I steal the show. Took your bag, I need some more. Hit that money dance, I'm on the road. Face beat, hair laid, on my way. Time to slay. Show my queens getting paid.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and happy 2020. Hey, happy 2020. I know we're already a couple of weeks into 2020. Charges in my head and not my heart. I was supposed to already have some videos already up for you guys. We're 2 weeks into January, but I had some personal issues come up. But I am here after being gone for almost a year and a couple of months. Maybe, I don't want to say a year and a half, but it may have been a year and a half. I'm just really excited. I don't want to bore you guys with any of the details, and I'll just pretty much give you a synopsis of where I've been. Last year, well, actually 2018, I had a baby. He's now 14 months old, and that kind of took up all of my 2019, to be honest with you. It consumed my days and my nights. I also have 2 middle schoolers, same age. We'll get into that. That's for another video. But yeah, so I've just been doing my mommy thing, doing my wife thing, working. I'm also a makeup artist. I do photography. There's so many other things that I do that I definitely have to get into in a later video, but that's really what I did the entire 2019. And so if you guys don't know who I am Tiana Nairi. I am a makeup artist, I'm a photographer, and I'm also a YouTuber. And I'm really excited to bring you guys some fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. I'm definitely going to be getting more into the fashion. Before, I felt like I really wasn't doing too much, but I got so much in store. Anyway, I'm rambling. Just gonna get into why you are here, and that's for this wig that I'm rocking right now. Right? She's gorgeous, isn't she? Oh god. So anyway, I felt like there was no need for me to do an unboxing and put her on my head, because there's literally nothing you have to do to this wig. So the details. This is the Bobbi Boss lace front, Swiss lace front wig in the style amber. I have her in the color TTRT 42. Wait, hold on. They be doing so much with these name colors. Hold on. TTRT 427613. So I'll make sure to put that in the description box because it's a super long name. But this is what she looks like on the stock card. And when I saw her on the website, I had to have her. I was so in love with this wig, and I was in love with the color. So I knew from the style of the wig there probably wasn't too much that you have to do. And the beautiful thing is that the hairline, and I'll get closer in a minute so that you guys can see that, but the hairline is not bad on this wig. So there's not a lot of baby hairs. I'm not a fanatic of baby hairs. I would say that because I really don't know what I'm doing, but the less baby hairs, the better for me personally. So if I don't have to manipulate the hairline that much, thumbs up to Bobbi Boss for that. So I'm going to get into some pros and some cons of this wig, but I'm telling you, by the end of this video, you're definitely probably going to be clicking on to go and purchase her. So I apologize if I don't have the price point correct. I'll make sure to put that in the description box. But I want to say she was probably around $36. I feel like I'm right by saying that. She's around $36. And according to the stock card, she is heat safe. Synthetic wigs are about up to 400 degrees you can do. But it doesn't really, on this particular stock card, it does not give me the heat. Yeah, it doesn't show that. But it is a 5-inch part. See that? She's here for you. So the 5-inch handmade deep part, it just makes for a more natural look to me personally. So this wig comes in an array of different colors, and I ordered her off of Wig Types, and they're one of my favorite sites to order wigs off of. So let's get on into the pros of this wig. All right, so the pros of this wig is she is out of the pack, cut the lace off ready. Okay, there is not a lot that you have to do to this wig other than cut that lace off, comb, brush these curls, and it is safe to brush the curls. I brought out my brush just so I can show you guys. So it is safe. Look at how the curls bounce back, like, and it's like a beachy type wave situation going on. So there's not a lot that you have to do outside of cutting off the lace. And for that reason, that's why I didn't do the unboxing and like flopping her on before I cut off the lace, because there's really no need for all of that. This hair is super duper lightweight, guys. Like, there is not a lot of hair on this wig, but it's just enough hair to be in the happy medium where you can wear her all day and it'll be super comfortable. You will not be hot. I've worn this wig to work, I've worn this wig to church, and listen, she gives you life. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I love the dark root, and the 613 is mixed all up in here, and I'm actually a 613 girl, guys, but I'm here for the platinum blonde of it all. I love them. So I think the color is super cute. The length is really, really good. It's kind of a bob type cut. So I will turn around so you can see how the back looks. So that is how she's looking in the back. Now, if we slide right on over to the cons, which is not that many, I would say that the only con that I have for this wig is that it sheds like crazy. She sheds. She's a shedder. She's definitely a shedder. Like, there's a lot of hair in my brush, but she, throughout the day, she definitely sheds, and it could be like a whole clump of hair. And outside of that, I am completely okay with this wig. I love everything about this wig. I would purchase her time and time again. So yeah, that's pretty much the skinny on this wig. You did not have to do any manipulating of this wig at all, so there was no need for me to show you guys that part. Cut the lace off, put it on your heads, put some powder in your part, and leave. And go out the door. Be about your business. That's what we're here for. That's what fabulous moms need. Wigs that just plop and go. That's what we need. So I thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I cannot wait to share with you guys everything that I have in store for 2020. I promise you guys that I'm not going anywhere unless God has something else to say about it. I am not going anywhere. I am committed, and I can't wait to bring you guys all of this cool and amazing new content that I have. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Click that notification bell, because you don't want to miss the videos that I'm going to have for you guys. So make sure, because sometimes, you know, a sister got to get up there. You know what I mean? So tell a friend and tell a friend so we can grow the gang. You know what I mean? And we can tell a friend so we can be friends. And that's just all it is today. I'm going to be uploading on Fridays. I haven't determined the time yet, but Friday, I have picked my upload date of Friday. So every Friday, I will be giving you guys new videos. I will be bringing you different series. I just have a whole bunch of stuff in store, and I'm really, really excited. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like this wig. Would you purchase this wig? You feeling a wig on sis or nah? You know what I mean? So let me know what kind of videos you would like to see below, so I can make sure that I'm bringing you guys the kind of content that you like to watch. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Stay fabulous and blessed always. Stay fabulous.